Good morning students. This video is for class 8 and as I am your science teacher is again back with the same chapter for the class 8. Okay, so let's see what is your that chapter. Okay, in the class 8 we were discussing about the third chapter, that is the synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay, we already discussed about the types of synthetic fibers, that is the rayon, nylon and the polyester, and some examples of it, students. Okay, now coming to the plastics. Plastics are the polymers or polymers, students, you can say units that are linked together to form a arrangement. What type of arrangement, students? You can see it here. Okay, but before going to this topic, as you know, what are the plastics? Plastics, you know, there are several things, several objects that are to be made of plastics, like your mobile covers, your chairs. This marker is also made of plastic. Okay, or other types of examples are there also, like polythene bags, plastics. Okay, plastic bottles, deodorants, sprays, and etc etc etc. There are several too much varieties of plastics. Okay, but what is the difference between these types of varieties of plastics? Okay, we will go through that. Just before going through that, just see it here, that plastics, as you are studying science. Okay, so in science, students, there is a specific method of saying anything. Okay, there is not a common method like you will say plastic is just a plastic bag, plastic is a plastic bottle. No, students, in science you have to say it in a modified way, in a democratic way, sorry, not a democratic way, in a dignified way and in a modern way. Okay, so coming to that modern way and that modified way, we will call plastic as a polymers units that are linked together to form an arrangement. Okay, basically there are two types of arrangement, like one is the linear and second is the collinear. Okay, basically these two words are looking same to you. Okay, but there is a vast difference between these two words. What are is those that vast difference between these two? Like in the linear arrangement, the units or the polymers are just joined together like this. Okay, in a straight line. Linear means in a straight line. Okay, like 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bits, 4 bits. Like you have seen a garland of pearls, a garland of small pearls, small stones. Okay, so that are to be beaded in a single thread. Okay, and that single thread makes a linear chain. So that linear chain or that linear arrangement is a type of a simple type of plastic. Okay, so this type, when the small polymers or small units are to be linked together like this in a single thread, then that arrangement is called as linear. Okay, after this, as you are listening this word also, collinear. In this, what happens? A single chain runs, but the difference is that a chain attached to other chain runs. Okay, so in a linear chain there is just a single thread of several units. Okay, like a straight thread. But in the collinear there are two threads, two tracks of the units joined together. Okay, so basically there are these two types of arrangement: linear arrangement in a single line, collinear arrangement in the 2 lines or the 3 lines or the 4 or the much more on that. Okay, after seeing these two types of arrangement, students, you know that there are basically two types of plastics. One is the thermoplastics and other is the thermosetting plastics. You have noticed that when you put a hot water inside a plastic bottle, it melts down. Why it melts or deformed its shape? Okay, why it? Because it is made up of a thermoplastic. Thermoplastic means plastic. Those are not too much tight. Those units are not too much tightly bound. Those melt on heating. Okay, it's a property of this thermoplastic that thermoplastics are the plastics which melt on heating, deformed its shape. Okay, and also lose its shape and loses its regularity. So example of this you can students say bottle when hot water is mixed in it. Hot water is poured. You can also say hot water is poured in it. Okay. After this students, coming to the next type of plastic, that is the thermosetting plastic. It is a second type of plastic which does not deformed on heating or does not melt on heating. Means these two thermoplastics and the thermosetting plastics are just the vice versa of these two one of the other one. Okay, like you know, एक सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं, like एक सिक्का का head and tail. Okay, so same way there is a thermoplastic and the thermosetting plastic. The difference between these two is that thermoplastics melt on heating, but thermosetting plastics does not melt on heating. Thermoplastics, they lose their shape, they deformed on heating. Thermosetting plastic, they do not lose its shape and they do not deformed on heating. Okay, some of the example you can say like PVC bottles. Okay, like Cylon or the other types of bottles. When you go to the market, you buy for it so that your hot water remains hot in it and cold water remains on it. What type of example it is? It is type of thermosetting plastic examples. Okay, so students, as we discussed, what are the plastics, what are the arrangement for the plastic, that is the linear and the co-linked. Okay, co-linked you can say or the co-linear you can say. Okay, and the types of plastic, that is the thermoplastics and the thermosetting plastics, and the basic difference between these two. Okay, so what is your homework now? That you have to note down the basic difference between these two, that is the thermosetting plastics and the thermoplastics. Okay, that's all for today. Now further we will discuss on it more. Thank you.